This is what we call a motion capture space. So it's kind of like a space where we can do experiments with robots where they're safe, there's nets around so they can't fly out of the space, but we have these cameras that actually capture the motion of the robots, and that's like an indoor GPS. So we have the position of the robots and where they are in space at all times. So the demonstration was a number of unmanned ground vehicles and one unmanned aerial vehicle cooperating to find their way through a space. So the idea is that the robots are trying to navigate from one place to another without hitting any obstacles, but also maintaining a formation. So if you wanted to search an area, it's better to have multiple robots more than one. That gives us redundancy, so if one robot falls off a cliff or runs out of batteries, the other robots can keep going on with the mission. And also having an unmanned aerial vehicle flying above the unmanned ground vehicles means that we can see any obstacles that are coming ahead or any dangers, and we can warn the other robots from the UAV if something's happening and coming up soon. If we were doing a crash site investigation, we might have 50 robots, and they might be of a similar size to the robots in the demonstration, maybe a little bit bigger, with some sort of outdoor capability. We might have 4 or 5 drones that can fly around and scout the area, and then maybe a few dozens of ground robots that can go around and collect debris from the crash site or basically search the area. So one of the important things we're trying to do is to get robots to learn themselves. So rather than teaching them everything by telling them exactly what to do, we like the robots to learn from experience and their mistakes how to make things better and do things better. So we're trying to make the robots adaptive, where they can actually adjust to the environment and adjust to their own dynamics and the peculiarities of the mission.